While the Afghans have grown increasingly optimistic of the ongoing peace process between the Kabul establishment and the Taliban, the minorities, especially the Sikhs and Hindus, continue to flee the country owing to rising fundamentalist atrocities in the region. India, which is home to both the religions, has reacted by facilitating their relocation. Scores of Sikhs and Hindus have travelled New Delhi in last couple of weeks. Incidentally, India had last year amended its Citizenship Act, allowing persecuted minorities from its neighbourhood, including Afghanistan, to seek Indian citizenship.
A batch of over 150 Afghan Sikhs landed New Delhi on 3rd September. Latest in the series of persecuted Sikhs travelling India for safer environment and greener pastures. As many as 420 Afghan Sikh and Hindu families have come to India in just 2 weeks following extraordinary persecution they say they suffered at the hands of Islamic radicals, including Taliban. While the radical cruelties targeting minorities they say were always widespread in Afghanistan, it was India's landmark Citizenship Amendment Act that provided them hope and motivation to leave the country. They are grateful to the Indian establishment.
आज 16 दिन हो गए हमें इधर आए।
सर जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे आए हैं, क्या वहाँ पे कौन से हालात में आपको यहाँ पे आना पड़ा?
हालात तो ऐसा है कि बम ब्लास्ट हुआ और सब परिवार छा गया, तो सब कुछ नहीं रहा, जायदाद वगैरह सब, छोटा भाई मम्मी सब चले गए, तो हम सबको छोड़ के आ गए इधर। हम इन लोगों का धन्यवाद करते और हमेशा हमारी खुशी है और वायरों की खुशी है और रहने की खुशी है बस।
Last year, India had come up with the act allowing persecuted religious minorities from its neighbouring countries to seek Indian citizenship. Since then, a large number of foreign nationals who were living under refugee status in the country have been granted citizenship by New Delhi.
दो 200 परिवारों को अब तक दिल्ली से गुरुद्वारा मैनेजमेंट कमेटी लेके आई है। इनके रहने का, सहने का सब इंतजाम भी दिल्ली से गुरुद्वारा मैनेजमेंट कमेटी कर रही है। इनकी टिकट के पैसे भी जो हमारे साथ सहयोग दे रहे हैं विक्रमजीत सिंह सानी और अमेरिका की संस्थाएं, वो हमारा साथ दे रही हैं इसमें। इसी तरह इनके रहने के, इनके यहाँ दिल्ली में आके घर मिले इनको, इनका कारोबार हो, उसके लिए भी हमारे पास वेरियस सिख संस्थाएं जो हमारा उसमें सहयोग कर रहे हैं और हम इनको किराए पे घर लेके दे रहे हैं।
Afghanistan, on the other side, has been constantly losing its minorities, with 95% of them vanishing in last half-century. Victims say they were brutally targeted during the Mujahideen rule in 90s, and the situation only worsened after that. There was a brief reprieve in former President Hamid Karzai's initial administrative days, but violence returned as Taliban gradually gained ground. 26th March Kabul Gurudwara attack was a sharp reminder of how the fundamentalists haven't changed their stance even when there are growing talks about the peace process. While the Afghans, irrespective of their religious identities, have lived in harmony, it is the radical Islamists who have time and again carried out systematic drives against minorities. The United States Congress has described Afghan Hindus and Sikhs as endangered minorities and has even passed a resolution aimed at resettling them in America, but as of now, it is India which has been walking the talk. The government says it is committed to bring back all persecuted minorities from its neighbours, whether it is war-torn Afghanistan or radical-driven, radical-governed Pakistan.